Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS high resolution 1280 and 720 high resolution Android 9 Pie system special for Mazda 3 29 to 13 years. Okay, you can check this UI interface, and it comes with this installation, this right, this left and right insert parts with screws. Okay, it also come with harness and canvas box. It's plug and play. Okay, it's built-in DVD slot, this volume button, and two USB, two SD card slots, microphone, IR. This home button is next and up. Okay, let me introduce. You can choose the time, you can choose logo, you can check. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car header units. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. Okay, you can choose the Mazda logo. Mazda when you back to home. Okay, change the logo. You can adjust to this color with any color. Green, blue, and red. Any color you can adjust. Okay, red. Let me check the settings. You also can change this color in car settings. Personal settings, LED settings. It's red, it's gray. Change the color. Blue. And any color you can adjust. Okay, let me choose the red. Let me show the settings. But motion you can check this MCU variant, CPU and memory size, Octa RAM 4GB. It's PX5, Android 9, and ROM you can check storage. Total ROM 64GB. Okay, let me check the Android version. Android version is Pie 9 Pie system. Okay. Back to home. Okay, all apps are here. It's built-in Bluetooth amplifier. This is APK installer, and easy connection for mirroring. Is Google Maps and Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. Also, this is a link for CarPlay and Android Auto. This supports it. Okay. Let me show the Bluetooth. You can set the app. Close. When you click, it will show the Bluetooth. This pin number and the device name. Let me open my phone. You can find the Bluetooth and enable. Click search button. It search the Galaxy S8. Click pair. your phone will get the command. Okay, put the pin number 40, click OK, and it doesn't show it. Okay, let me try again. Disconnect Bluetooth from your phone and enable it. Please try again. Okay. Put the pin number 40. Okay, connected. Show Bluetooth icon. Okay, let me connect a small speaker for test sound. Okay, it's done. You can make a phone call. There I have sound. Okay. You can stream music from your phone. Bluetooth volume from your phone. This mute button. Mute on, mute off. Okay, let me introduce the music from USB. Connect USB. It will play music automatically. There is two USB cable, 1, 2, and the front USB. There is USB. Next, it's amplifier. Video disabled driving for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, car settings, driving settings, turn on watch video, and play video game. This 4K Samsung 4K demo video around the world. Okay, let me introduce this Android Auto and CarPlay. You just connect the USB and it will connect automatically. Let me show it. Please hold it. Thank you. Let me find my USB. Okay, this is original USB from Samsung. Connect USB. Okay, connected. Just connect your phone. It will work with Android Auto. Okay, connected. You can check Android Auto. Work with Android Auto and CarPlay. Okay. Their navigation, and you can make a phone call. You can play music from Google Play Music, Pandora, Spotify, and so on. Okay, that's all. Thank you.